It's March 1st, and we are in St. Pete. We stayed in St. Pete for months. I said I wanted to live here. And so I suppose we are. And we haven't made a lot of videos since December. So we've been learning to live on the hook. And on the hook by meaning at anchor. Like we live out here in the water. No dock, no marina. And I guess we've had two nights at a marina since, gosh, an actual marina. It's been a while. November. So we just signed a lease at Pasadena. It's not even true. We have to send it in. So I'm hoping that'll all pan out. But this is more of reflection on how hard it's been. What's been hard about it, you ask? Living at anchor is specifically tricky because you have to dinghy in this small boat everywhere. Over there. To get to land. And we have a car, so it's even easier. But I think what has been so tricky about it is learning to just adjust. And the boat is so much work, especially in 1977. She's amazing, but it's also just a lot of energy. So we are flowing with that, loving up on her, sparkling her up, then also lanes inside, hanging out with the engine, which is vibrating a lot, which has caused a lot of grooves on the propeller shaft, which means, I don't even know, but we have another big propeller shaft leak. So yeah, we're supposed to go sailing this week, but that means that we're not, and that's okay. So we've just been mitigating, trying to work in a new city and get jobs and get bookings, make friends, see family, figure it all out while maintaining this beautiful vessel, aka our tiny home, a floating tiny home, and yeah, nurturing a 3-year relationship and everything that entails. So it's been real. I'm not wanting to change it for the world. The good things about it are waking up every day to this. And today it's warm, but it's been Florida winter and it's been cold, like getting down to the 30s often. And so that has not been super fun. But today it is really nice. We're grateful for our solar, although our batteries are dying, so we need to get new batteries. There's tons of barnacles on the bottom, so we spent the day scraping them off, preparing for that. $100 more at Home Depot. Getting rust off the little bits in the engine. And yeah, rinsing stuff in fresh water. Seeing friends, getting food. Birthday week, just fixing little things. It's been a minute. Grateful. I think moving to the water was a desire for me to step back and go slower, and I definitely have. Be able to sleep as I desire and not have to be so damn busy all the time. It feels so good. And to just be rocked by the motion of the wind and the waves. When the wind's crazy, it's crazy. It just consumes everything. The wind moves so intensely, it moves the water. And when it's calm like this, there's a bird sanctuary right over there on Coffee Pot Bayou. There's pelicans and terns and gulls and cormorants and crows, dolphins. It's just beautiful. So I'm over here blogging. Here's Lane. I'm just talking about how life at Anchor is beautiful and also hard. So what's striking you as hardest? Living on the hook.
I've learned that we get so much knowledge and help from community, and when we're on the hook, we don't have that.
Hard to meet people.
It's hard to meet people.
Where are they? Oh, right. It's just the birds.
We did make some sailboat friends, and we've learned a lot from them in the 3 conversations I've had. So I think that spending a few months back at a marina where we can talk to other people about, like, hey, does anyone have a tool for this? Has anyone seen this before? And then, yeah, having some community like that while we learn will help us enjoy our off-hook life even more.
What are the good things?
It's fucking gorgeous. It's really nice to wake up and not be worried about if someone outside your window.
Right. Or no dock neighbors to come knock it.
Yeah. It's beautiful. It feels really good. It feels good to listen to the water every night. The kinetic feeling of it, the nature of it feels amazing.
Literally always moving.
If we just had a little more knowledge and some more community to tap into, I think it would be even better.
So it's time to go soak
about
that up.
Do you know where the crowbar is?
I can go find it. My job on this boat is organizing things, I think.
It's very helpful, but I can never find anything.
Well, here, Lane, you want to take this? And, how are your hands?
Greasy.
Great, take the GoPro.
Okay.
Still on.
Oh, it's so pretty out. If I wasn't trying to figure out this engine thing, I'd come back up. But I'm in here and in there.